To the ones who have done very well and have been much perseverant all throughout their studies. May I call on the school's division superintendent duly authorized, Ma'am Doretta Lee, to give the award to our outstanding graduates together with their proud parents, and will be assisted by our school principal, Dr. Rene Diaban, and our guest for today, Captain Ivy Kate Lucio, and our Honorable Barangay Chairman, Domingo Abin Jr., and our Barangay Education, Honorable Analisa.
Pagkita, kaya ano man yung nagtatangis? Ha? Kay ano?
Let us call on the pupils who give their best to be on top.
Uy, kay ano nagtatangis? Kay ano may panangis?
Excellence Award. With high honors, Nakaba Jillian N. May I request the parent to come up stage.